Hi there, I'm Josh. Welcome to Air Conditioner Lab, where we review a wide range of home appliances and HVAC products to help you find the right fit for your home. In this video, I'll be sharing my top humidifiers for large rooms. Bigger rooms and open floor plans can be tough to humidify, especially when smaller units just can't keep up. Once you're dealing with spaces around 500 square feet or more, you need a humidifier with higher output, a larger water tank, and longer run times to maintain comfortable humidity levels. And unlike my usual countdown videos, this list isn't ranked. Instead, I've included a mix of different types and sizes so you can choose the option that makes the most sense for your space and needs. All product models and links are listed in the description below. Let's jump into the 5 best humidifiers for large rooms. First up is the Levoit Superior 6000S, a large, smart, evaporative humidifier built for big rooms and open floor plans. Evaporative humidifiers draw air through a moisture-wicking filter, allowing water to evaporate naturally into the air. One of the key advantages of this design is that it self-regulates humidity levels and can safely use regular tap water. There's no fine mist or white dust, making this a great option for very large spaces. The Superior 6000S is rated for coverage up to about 3,000 square feet, which technically puts it in whole house humidifier territory. In real-world use, I've found it performs best in spaces closer to half that size if you want consistent humidity, especially during colder months. That's exactly how I use it on the ground floor of my own home. The Levoit Superior 6000S features a massive 6-gallon water tank with an advertised runtime of up to 72 hours. In dry winter conditions, I usually need to refill it daily, which is typical for a humidifier this size. It does come with a water-filling hose though, which makes refills much easier. This Levoit humidifier also pairs with the VSync app, offering helpful cleaning and dry mode reminders, which are genuinely useful with a humidifier this large. Overall, this is a solid choice if you need even, whole space humidity and smaller units just can't keep up. For about $250, the Levoit Superior 6000S is a top contender for humidifying a big room. Next up is the Dreo 16L Smart Humidifier, which is a large-capacity ultrasonic humidifier designed for big rooms without the bulky footprint you'll see on some console-style units. Ultrasonic humidifiers work by using high-frequency vibrations to turn water into a fine mist, which is then released into the air. The big advantages here are quiet operation and high mist output, but they do require more attention to water quality. Even though Dreo includes a scale-inhibiting cartridge, you'll still want to use distilled water to avoid white dust and extra cleaning. This Dreo is a tower-style humidifier with a surprisingly compact footprint. The base is just under 10 inches wide, and it stands about 2 feet tall, making it easy to tuck into your home's layout. Now, despite that, it produces a powerful mist stream that can reach up to 6 feet high, which really helps distribute moisture across rooms up to about 1,000 square feet. Now, one feature I really like on the Dreo 16L is the large LED display on the front. It shows real-time humidity levels and has been impressively accurate compared to my standalone hygrometer. You can control everything through the Dreo app, but there's also a remote if you'd rather keep things simple. The 16-liter tank delivers an extremely long runtime of up to 130 hours under ideal conditions, and the top fill design with a water-level window makes refills easy. It also runs quietly, around 30 decibels, with subtle ambient lighting that's easy to dim at night. Compared to the Levoit Superior 6000S, the Dreo prioritizes mist output and visual feedback, and while it does require distilled water, it's about $100 less in upfront costs. Another option worth looking at is the Vornado Evap40, which is a great pick if you want a manual evaporative humidifier. One without smart features, apps, or the added complexity that makes you question taking it out of storage when the next dry season rolls around. It's priced at around $150, putting it in the same range as the 16-liter Dreo, though the approach here is very different. The Evap40 is an evaporative humidifier, so it can safely use regular tap water and helps prevent over-humidifying. Compared to the Levoit Superior 6000S, this model is much more hands-on and manual, but it's also simpler and easier to maintain over the long term. One of the biggest strengths of this humidifier is how easy it is to clean. The Evap40 is made up of just 4 main parts: the base, 2 water tanks, and the fan. There are no tight internal channels, sensitive electronics, or hidden grooves, which makes routine humidifier cleaning straightforward and helps reduce the risk of mold or bacteria buildup. Instead of one large reservoir, the Vornado Evap40 splits its 4-gallon capacity into 2 separate 2-gallon tanks. That makes them easier to lift and refill. I will say that getting water past the fill valve can feel a little awkward at first, but it comes easier with practice. This Vornado humidifier is rated for spaces of up to 1,000 square feet, which I've found realistic for large living areas or smaller homes. The controls are basic, a simple manual dial with no digital readout. I recommend pairing it with a separate hygrometer to keep an eye on real-time humidity levels, though. If you value durability, simplicity, and long-term reliability over smart features, the Evap40 is a solid, no-nonsense choice. If you're looking for something a bit more bedroom-friendly, the Levoit Classic 300S is a humidifier I especially like for larger bedrooms and living spaces. A lot of people think of this as a smaller version of the Superior 6000S, but in reality, these two models are built very differently. The Levoit Classic is an ultrasonic humidifier like the Dreo 16-liter model. That design makes it quieter and more energy efficient than many larger units, which is why it works so well in spaces where noise matters. Despite its strong output, it runs at under 30 decibels, so it won't disrupt sleep. The Levoit Classic has the output and runtime to handle up to 500 square feet without constant refilling. It features a 6-liter tank and can run for up to 60 hours, resulting in fewer refills during the week, especially when running overnight. This model also offers smart controls via the VSync app, along with a built-in humidistat and a subtle nightlight. Now, one feature I really like is the plant-focused tools in the app, including plant identification, water reminders, and recommended humidity ranges. If you keep plants in your bedroom or living area, that extra functionality is genuinely useful. The Levoit Classic also doubles as an essential oil diffuser, though the aroma pads you'll need are sold separately. Because it covers a larger area, humidifier placement matters, so I recommend keeping it at least 3 feet away from the bed to avoid damp sheets. Used correctly, though, the Levoit Classic 300S is a powerful, quiet, and dependable option for large rooms and oversized bedrooms. To wrap things up, the Dreo 6L Top Fill is the humidifier I usually point people to when they want coverage for a large room without spending much. At around $50, it's the most budget-friendly humidifier on my list and also one of the quietest. The Dreo 6L is an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, similar in design to the Levoit Classic 300S and Dreo's larger 16-liter model. That allows it to run quietly at about 28 decibels, while still delivering enough output to handle rooms up to around 500 square feet. For larger bedrooms or average living spaces, that coverage feels realistic in everyday use. The 6-liter tank is generously sized for the price, with a rated runtime of up to 60 hours on lower settings, and in my experience, this smaller Dreo model can often run for multiple nights before needing a refill. The top fill design makes that process easy, since you don't have to remove or flip the tank to add water. Compared to the Dreo 16-liter smart humidifier, this model skips app control, advanced sensors, and long-range mist projection. Instead, the 6L model focuses on simple controls, consistent output, and minimal setup. For many people, that's more than enough. Like most ultrasonic humidifiers, though, it performs best with distilled water to reduce mineral buildup. As long as expectations are realistic, the Dreo 6L Top Fill delivers impressive performance for the price and stands out as one of the best budget humidifiers for large rooms. And there you have it, 5 humidifiers that can actually keep up with large rooms and open floor plans. Whether you prefer an evaporative model that runs on tap water, a smart ultrasonic humidifier, or a quieter, budget-friendly option for a large space, the right choice depends on your room size, water preferences, and how hands-on you want to be with your maintenance. If this video helped you narrow things down, please give it a like and subscribe for more appliance reviews and HVAC advice. You'll find links to all the products in the description below, along with my full written guide over at airconditionerlab.com. Thanks for watching.